Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush, and this is our 7 Days to Die rebuilding series. We just had our day 7 horde, or sorry, day 28 horde, 7th day horde, however you refer to it. I went home, sorted out inventory, repaired up. Looks like we got a random dude. I did remember that I have a silencer and put it on the pistol. As I'm gonna take both with us to loot, I thought it might be a good idea to have the silencer on one of them. As you can see, I have a ton of stuff with me to sell to the trader. I will have to come back out and get the rest of it. But I wanted to clear out that box, and I don't think he restocks till day 31, but I'll have a look and see if there is anything I need. Okay, so that's for doing the dog challenge. Let's see, let's sell the tier 6 stuff first, and then the 5s, if he will take them. So he doesn't want any more spears or sledgehammers. Or stone batons. None of the iron sledgehammers. Move down here. Those spears. I got a better machete last night, so I left it in the box back home. And I will run grab the rest of the stuff out of the bike. And apparently I will deal with a roaming horde before I go back in. Hi guys. Thanks for coming. Nice to see you. Hello, goodbye. Go away. Don't touch me. Alright. Now that that's sorted, let's grab the rest of the stuff out of here. We can put this stuff back in to take to the other traders that we can go see. I haven't been to them and checked their inventory in a while, and I hope you guys don't find it too boring, but I would like to do a trader day. Here, you want a bear? Have a bear. So we have 158,000 dukes, dollars, coins. What I would really like is a better club and or a better compound crossbow. But I don't think he's gonna have it. It doesn't look like he has anything that I need. The lucky goggles are the same as the ones I have, so and I think the rest of this is all stuff I sold him. What mods do you have? None. Do you have a better helmet? I'd like a better... No, he does not have a better helmet. What about your secret stash? Muzzle brake. I'm not seeing anything I need from there. I almost got excited because I have a motorcycle chassis, but I have a motorcycle. So, okay. Well, I've already got a job from him, and it's up in the winter town. But what I want to do is go see this trader. And then this one, because I have the quest to go see this one. So I'm gonna head over here to the northern road and head up that way. I'm gonna stick our pile o' cash in there, and we'll grab it when we get up there. I may need to refuel. There we go. And I got plenty more gas back at the base. So let's head to the Northern Trader. And I'm probably going to cut out most of the drive because it is a very long, very curvy drive and takes quite a while. And so I will see you when we get up to the next trader. So I'm still on my way up to the Northern Trader, but on the way there, off one of the little dirt roads to the side, there was a drop that I did not have marked. So, oh, an auto shotgun. I wish that was a higher level, but that's the first time I've seen one. That's nice. So, awesome. So we're still got a ways to go. I got to get back out here to the main road. But I wanted to show the grabbing the drop. Lots of food and stuff usually in those, and apparently auto shotguns. And I was thinking that I may take a break from doing trader quests and head to where we found the big shotgun factory. I think I'm well enough geared that I should be able to do it without much, well, too much problem. Mainly because I won't be taking any Molotovs and won't light myself on fire. But I think with the equipment that we have, with the gear and the guns that we have, we should be able to get through there. It may be a multi-day trip to do it, but I think it would be good. Maybe could get some, a higher level crossbow or club or something from there. So not going to start that today. Today I want to run to all the traders, but that's what I'm thinking. I may start tomorrow. Excuse me, buddy. Pardon me. Thank you. So I'd like to do the big shotgun factory, and I don't know if I've found it, but I'd like to do the big Shamway factory as well, and I do not know my way through them very well. I've only done the shotgun factory once and part of the Shamway factory. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the money and go say hi. I guess I could check the vending machines, but I never remember to use the sugar butts or anything like that, so
Like a lounge to you.
don't make me shoot you in the head. Alright, let's see. Do you want some of this stuff? You do. You're not having the auto shotgun. I want to try that out. I know the damage is not as good as the other weapons we have, but I want to see how it does. Let's see what he's got. Nothing spectacular. I'm not even going to buy the oil shell because I'm headed over to the trader in the desert, and I've got that little forward operating base there that I can just stay there for a bit and mine up some stuff. He has an iron crossbow but not a compound, and I want the compound. He does have military fiber used to repair military armor. I'm gonna buy those because I did get the schematic for making military armor, so the Great Heist, I will buy that. My property is the only land claimed property. Compound crossbow does 37, and mine does better. Okay. The Art of Mining and The Great Heist Volume 1. So he did have a few books I didn't have, so
That's right. Do the math.
I have ammo on me. Don't make me shoot you. Yeah, so the only compound crossbow he has is a level 2. He doesn't have any mods. Well, he doesn't have anything I need. Darn it. So, thanks but no thanks.
The moment I laid eyes.
Yeah, whatever, dude. Alright, now, I'm gonna have to figure out what's gonna be the best way to get over to the other trader. Because I haven't found a road that leads there. I can get to this little town and then, I mean, there's a valley that goes through here, so maybe I will head back down this main road and cut down here and then maybe here, go across and in between and maybe hook up with this road and get down easier. Because I seem to remember it was a very bumpy ride on the way home. There is another town here we can check out, but I want to go over and hand in that quest. Why do I hear footsteps? I don't know where they are, but okay, so let's head back to the main road without hitting the tree, preferably. And I don't think there was anything here that I just desperately wanted to loot, so I guess I will head that way and then run into the iron. That works. And then try and find a way over to the other trader. And this may be a bit of a shorter episode. I am going to cut out part of the drive. But after Horde Night, and I'm recording this kind of late in the evening, so I may have to make this a bit shorter episode and just do trader days. So let's see. I do want to take the one that splits off. So we'll head over this way and I will bring you back in when we get to the next trader. Okay, we're almost to the trader. Looks like we've got a storm coming in. But this is the trader up in the desert. And this is the one that they wanted us to come to for the next person in the line of traders quest. So,
You looking to earn some loot? If you finish 2 more jobs this week,
oh, be quiet, woman. Okay, so I did go ahead and grab a quest from her. I'm not going to do it right now. But on the way here, I did pass the shotgun factory, and it looks like our quest is right over by the shotgun factory. So we might clear that and get the reward. I want to get some more oil shale. And I have the little mine over here. And there's plenty down there. There's also some lead and iron in the area. But I'm debating about whether I want to go do that clear quest first. And then, because it's very early in the day for me to end the video, and let's just go see what it is and whether it is something that we could get through fairly quickly. I think it said business strip, so I'm a little worried it might be like one of the quads or something. If it's the quad we've already looted a couple of times, we're fine, but we'll have to see. There's another bear den, no thank you. Aldo's cabinets. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be this one, which I have not cleared out. It was the other one that I had cleared. And there is the shotgun factory. Big old church. Is this the one with like the big library in it, but you have to go in through the basement? I think so. Let's see. I do not want to have to go all the way home, but I have all this stuff in here. We might run through. I will have to be brutal on inventory. But I think I might run through this. I'm not going to loot it twice. And then, hey guys. I'm dancing on glass. Who wants to come say hi? You're a runner. You can stop now. Oh, please don't show me that. We'll clear this, turn it in, and then overnight I will run home and drop off. Hold still. Anyway, I will run home and drop off the stuff that I don't want to keep in the bike, like the money. And then I will head back up here. Got a crawler in there. Yeah, here, let me help you out. There. I do have jailbreakers, but I don't think it's worth it. It shouldn't take too long to get in here. I'll save the jailbreakers for like when we redo the army base that has, what, 4 safes in the bottom of it? I've got 40 lockpicks on me, so hopefully I can get in here without too much trouble. There we go. Bow parts and handgun parts. Scrap that. I don't need 2 bandages. I don't need the steroids. Yeah, so we'll see how quickly we can go through here and if we can get back to the trader. Is this where I just was? No, it's not. I'm liking the pistol with the silencer on it. Alright, is anybody a runner? I still didn't spend the skill points from Horde Night. Hey, buddy. Ooh, somebody broke something back there. Don't hit me. There goes an airdrop. Not particularly concerned. I'll mark it on the map. But not particularly concerned, just want to get through here as quickly as possible. And, alright, so we have to go downstairs first. I hear you. Actually, I've got so much brass at home, I don't even need that. Oh, you're a feral. Well, were. You lost your head there. I'm not gonna search all the time. I don't even need that. I do want to keep checking trash because you can get books in there. Somebody left some money in their locker. And I don't need military armor parts. Are you in here? I know I'm wasting ammo. I can hear somebody, but I don't know where they are. Anything else in here? Where are you? Are you up here? Sounds like they're hitting on a door somewhere. I don't know. Let's go on up. If I have to go back through and find zombies that I missed, I will. Alright, who's coming? Oh. Looking a little shaky there, Tubby. Alright, nothing here I need. This is the dance till you die. which could be interesting. Alright. Quickly check what's in here. Don't need it. Here, I'll even donate to the pile. I do need lead, so if I come across lead stuff, I may keep some of it. Don't need it. I have 3 stacks of military armor parts at home, and I haven't put many points into light armor. Let's just go ahead and eat that. And then scrap that and eat that. I have more food and stuff out on the bike, so I'm not particularly worried. Don't need it. Birdies? No birdies, please. Oh, well, we all know how good this is gonna go. Yeah. I blame it... Really? I blame it on my spacebar? It doesn't work? Seriously? Are you freaking kidding me? Alright. And we'll do it this way. Make sure everybody is reloaded. Let's see if we can get a silent shot. I see you. I don't know who else is going to be up here. I don't see anybody else up here. There's a crawler. And then they're all going to be downstairs, I think. Anything up here to loot besides trash? Alright, guys. Where are you at? You just went out the door? And to put the silencer in this pistol, I took out the semi-auto or full auto mod. I'm not sure which one I had in there. I'm just gonna read any of these that I come across. I will check for coffee, and be nice if there was some food. Extra ammo I won't say no to. I do not need overalls. That's what I was hoping for. I wanted some food and drink, and I got drink, but who made that noise? Alright. We all loaded up? Yes, we are. I thought you were dead. You didn't move. No. I hear them in here. Somebody's hitting something somewhere. Oh, stuck on something? Wanted to check desks in case there are schematics or books in there, but looks like that's the only desk that's lootable. I hear somebody hitting on something, but I don't know where they are. Let's close that and help Junior here die. Really? Can I not hit the nurse behind the cash register? Alright. Let's get in here, close what little of the door there is. See if we can get into this safe. I don't need the ammo, I'm not going to use it, but let's see how many lockpicks this takes. Hopefully just 1 or 2 if we have to. Please be nice and let me in. No, of course not. So, I think we're close to getting through this, but sorry, my dogs are psycho. They're loving this colder weather, so they're getting all like feisty and stuff. Alright. I don't need any of the stuff in here. Let me through. Can I see anybody? No, of course not. I was gonna see if I could get a sneaky shot, but I don't know who's in here. I don't need the cornmeal. I could use a little bit of food though, and drink if you have it. I don't have any drink. Wow. If this is Pete's Pub, Pete, you should know you kind of suck because you don't have any drink for people. Alright, first let's see if anybody's hiding over here. Anybody gonna drop on my head? No? Take that. I don't need brass. My forge at home is almost full of brass. But now I feel bad because that's a lot of brass. Could I have some water? Please? Of course not. Ammo pile. Thank you for the refills. I've got everybody loaded up. Oh, well, guess I'm not going that way. Alright, and this is going to be the ceiling's going to fall in and bad things are going to happen. So, let's just get it started. No cowboy. Is that everybody? Alright. Glad I put the rad remover on here. And this is the big loot. This is going to be fun to get in. Let's see what we get. And let's switch to... I don't want that. I'll take that for now. Oh, tier 6 pickaxe. I'm gonna scrap those. I'm gonna scrap that. And this, let's see, 37. Yeah, it's better. So thank you for your service, but time to trade over. No, 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 you don't. Okay, I thought I'd hit scrap and just about freaked out. Okay, and then I can put the fortifying grip mod back on it. So we'll scrap that. I'll hold on to that to sell. That's a lot of stuff. Oh, fell off the stage. working stiffs box, steel pickaxe, a chainsaw, steel shovel. Alright, what do you want to bet? I'm gonna wish I had the jailbreakers on me. So, if we can find a tier 6 shovel and come on, let me in. I am not gonna beat a hole in you. You're like 10,000 health. Anyway, I want a better shovel, a better club. Come on, please let me in. Just go. Thank you. Scrap that. You're not better than what I've got. You can go on here. Steel. Where are my crossbow bolts? Well, I'm guessing it's a good thing I found those because I apparently didn't bring any with me. But that is the loot for here. And now I have to find a way out that doesn't involve me breaking a leg. I can go down to here and then down to here. And it did say the area is clear and return to trader. So I'm going to head back to the trader and turn that in. And then I think I'm going to spend the night over at the FOB and get some oil shale and stuff like that. And then in the morning before it's time to start recording, I will run home and drop off the very full bike inventory that I have. And then I will head back up here and I think we will probably start the Shotgun Messiah for our next major looting piece. So, let's see. There's nothing in there I want to sell, but I do want to get that and repair those. That takes a pipe. Good grief, I think my brain has shut down. Steel tool parts I will keep. I don't need baton parts. Steel club parts. The ammo can go in there, the brass. You can just go in there because I have several back at home. Nope, no, get on the bike. Open the bike. Those can be sold. Trigger group, I don't use that. Just trying to sort out what I want to keep and what can go. The rest of this, I don't really care. So,
Hello, Brett. I
Hi.
knew you had it in you. Good.
really? I've got better. I know you're worth a lot, though. Well, I think we will take the axe and sell it along with this other stuff. And I think that's all I need to sell her.
Remember
Thanks,
me,
Jen.
you need medical supplies.
So, I think I'm gonna leave this episode here. I am gonna check this and see if they have like rock crushers, which they don't. And I don't think I brought any with me. So, either way, I may run home now and drop all this off, grab the rock crushers and some coffee, and then come back up and spend part of the night mining up some oil shale. And there's a drop down there. I'm not going to get it, but the best way that I've found to go is actually to go up here and get back on that northern road. But it's actually probably shorter if I go through the wasteland. I don't wanna. So, I'm gonna leave this here. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Any comments and questions, go down in the comment section. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated. Hope I see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, y'all. Bye.